If you're wondering how you can remove all the ads on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. From here, just open this website. Tap on Try It Now. Now from here, just tap and hold on the DNS provider hostname and select Copy. After you copy the address of the DNS provider hostname, then go to your home screen and open Settings. Tap on More Connectivity Options. Then tap on Private DNS. Now instead of Off or Automatic, just select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Now just tap on Custom Name, and in this section just paste the text which we have copied earlier. Then select Save. And after you do that, the next step is to go back, and in the main settings page, just tap on Google. Select All Services, and from here you will find the option of Ads. Just tap on it, and from here just select Reset Advertising ID. Select Confirm, then tap on Delete Advertising ID. After that, just tap on Delete Advertising ID. And once you do that, you will close all the ads on your Redmi 15C. Now, if you also want to close these ads when you swipe up on the home screen, for this, just go back to Settings, and in Settings, just tap on Home Screen. Tap on Home Screen. Now, instead of Classic, just select With App Drawer. And once you do that, you will close the ads when you swipe up on the home screen. Just like that. And this is how you can remove all the ads on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.